Hello, this is Tagene Brown-McBean from Money Coaching Services, and I am your money coach. So we're going to start with a little story time. So I used to work with Scotiabank and JN Bank for over 18 years. And in that time, I saw different things happen to customer and staff. So this story time is about staff. Alright, so one of my friends, she was working in the bank for 15 years and she got redundant. So one day I saw her on the road and I said, what is happening? Because when I look on her, she looked like one of those people you see on the road making money. And she said, Taj, well, I got redundant. So we have a very close relationship. So I said to her, so where's the redundancy money? And she was saying, boy, it wasn't enough because I have a mortgage, I have car loan, I have credit card, and I have student loan. And I was saying, oh my God, because as staff get special rates, so our rates are cheaper than customer rates. So what she'll be paying as a staff, she'll be paying about double that as a customer know that she's no longer a staff. And I look at it and I was saying, oh my God, this is horrible. And at that time I was just working with the bank for 5 years and I didn't have any savings. Not $1 in savings, right? I know Jamaican people don't like to talk about money. The only time I really see Jamaican people happy to talk about money, I mean the general populace, is when they are going to get a loan. But unlike you, I'm not afraid to talk about money because today I have some and tomorrow you don't have any. It's just life, right? You just have to ensure that your money is doing the work that it's supposed to do and that you don't do too much emotional spending. So after that experience and just feeling what she was going through, me putting myself in her position and saying, listen, this is not happening to me. I'm going to ensure that when I leave the bank, right, certain things are sorted out. All right. So what I did, I set up a standing order and I started with a small amount, $2,000 per month coming out of my salary from it was a salary deduction, not a salary deduction, a standing order. And I opened an account in St. Mary. I'm from St. Mary. Hi, St. Mary High School. Yes, I'm from St. Mary, born and raised. And I sent my money to a credit union in St. Mary. And I did not put any ABM cards, no debit cards attached to the account because I know how I spend. Once it is easy, once it is convenient, I'm going to spend it. And at that time, I did not have that discipline, right? So I know I'm the type of person that I'm not going to leave my workplace in Kingston to travel all the way to St. Mary to get 2 shillings because it is inconvenient. So if I was banking my money with the bank I'm working with, then most likely it would spend. Well, it would spend because 5 years gone working with the bank and it did spend, right? So I decided to change my strategy. And the strategy was, if you don't have the discipline yet, put your money somewhere that is not easily accessible. All right? So I say this to say that over time now, I developed certain skills and got certain information because of being in banking, and I want to share some of that with you. So in the description, you'll see a link for a 1 hour free masterclass. So put in the comments You want to do a better budget? Put budget. In the comments, you have credit card, put credit card. In the comments, you have a mortgage. You want to understand better how to pay it off or what's really happening with your mortgage? Because some of you don't know, you know. Some of you mortgagers, the only thing you're concerned about is the monthly payment if you can afford the payment. But my masterclass will show you that you have bigger fish to fry. Bigger fish to fry. Anyway, uh, that is why I started money coaching services, because I saw a lot of persons while I was in banking making a lot of mistakes. But these mistakes are not necessarily because you basically had the information. You didn't have the information, you didn't have the resources. So now I am here to give you those resources and those information to open your eyes to the reality of your money. Those of you paying minimum payment to your credit card, I have something in there for you that will open your eyes. Most of you, as you see what I have, you're going to go to the bank and say, listen, I don't want this anymore. Please take it. Whatever I need to pay, give me a loan, give me something, give me anything but this credit card. Okay. Also, you mortgagers, when I show you how much money you're paying in interest to the bank, when you relax and say, oh, I'm paying a 30-year mortgage, and you're so proud, when you see how much money is going to the bank, you're going to say, really? So much? Yes. So, I want you to come back to this video, hit me up under this video, and tell me if that 1 hour free masterclass did open your eyes. Just come back and type eyes open, and I will know exactly what I mean. So for those of you, you want the free masterclass, type free masterclass in the comments. Type, you don't even have to type free masterclass, just type masterclass. And click the link and go over. It's time to wake up, guys. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Those of you not reading the fine print, yes, I have information in the masterclass about what's in the fine print, especially the credit card fine print, right? And that's in the masterclass. So take care of you, take care of your family, and take care of your finances. This is Tagene from Money Coaching Services.